I'm just quickly going to show you through how to do a loop in Java, and then also how to print using a loop. So if we want to loop through from 0 until, or from 1 to 10, then we need a basic loop. So for int I, so we're going to define a variable I and we're going to make it equal 0, and then we'll say we're going to need an end point. So maybe we can just do end point equals 10. So we can say for, it's going to loop through for this condition, right? So while I is less than end point. So while I is less than 10, and then it will do whatever's below where we're at, and then it'll add 1 to I. So I equals 0 is I less than endpoint. So if I is 0, endpoint is 10, it's going to check is I less than 0 at 0, do whatever's inside the brackets, and then add 1 to I adds 1 to I. I can show you this above actually. I'll just comment this out. Control / system.out.println will print I, and then we'll do I++, and then system.out.println I. Okay, if we print this, if we run this, oh, sorry, we haven't defined I. I equals int I equals 0. Okay, so we can see I is 0, print 0, and then it adds 1 to I, and then it prints out 1. So what we do here is we can do a print. We'll print out like we're writing on a chalkboard in detention. My dog, it's like Bart at the start of The Simpsons. My dog did not eat my homework. And it'll print that out 10 times. So you might be asking, if it starts as 0, why is it printing out 10 times? The condition is checking, is I less than the end point? So 9 is less than 10. So of course it's going to print out from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is 10 less than 10? No. So it doesn't print that final value, which is why it only prints 10 times. My dog did not eat my homework. Okay, so now we can also print out, we could choose to print out just the value of I. You can see here it's printing out 10 times from 0 till 9. And we can actually add this into our print statement. So we can do a printf, which prints a formatting of whatever we decide. So inside our quotes, the thing about print line is it adds a new line character to every single print statement, which is why everything is appearing on a new line. If I were to just print out, actually, I'll just show you printf. Printf, we have to do a %d that's used for any kind of number, and then I will substitute in the I value to wherever that %d is found. So I'll just print out this, and you can see that there's no new line. There you go. It's printing it in a straight line. If we wanted to do something like, let's do the original. My dog did not eat my homework. And then maybe we'll put the %d at the start. Then you can see it all appears in one line. So in order to fix this, we have to add a new line character. So that's \n. Anything with a backslash indicates that you're going to have something special happen after it. So if you want to print a backslash, we'll get to that next. So now it's printing a new line. If you wanted to print a backslash, you actually need to do, backslash. so that will tell the compiler, I want this value afterwards. It's another sort of special character because you can't just print a backslash otherwise. So this is the basic of a loop. In my next video, I'm going to go through different types of arrays and lists and different things that you'd want to loop through. There are other types of loops which I'll show you in that video as well. So stay tuned for the next video, and I'll see you soon. Thanks.